In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Walmart Mastercard bill online, easy guide. First, make sure you have a few things handy. Your Walmart Mastercard number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and the zip code on your billing address. These details are used only to verify your identity on the official site. Open your web browser and go to walmart.sif.com. This is the Synchrony Bank portal that services Walmart credit cards. Check that the address bar shows the correct URL and a lock icon, which indicates a secure connection. On the homepage, select Pay as Guest. This option lets you make a payment without signing in, and it's perfect if you just need to pay quickly. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, the last 4 digits of your SSN, and your zip code. Type each field carefully and avoid using public Wi-Fi when entering sensitive information. When everything looks correct, click Continue. The site will pull up your account details. You should see your Walmart card listed under your accounts. Click the card to open your account dashboard, where you can review your current balance, the minimum due, and your due date. Next, choose Make a Payment or Pay Bill. You'll now set your payment details. For payment amount, pick what works for you: the minimum due, the statement balance, or a custom amount if you want to pay something specific. For payment source, select the bank account you want to use. Make sure the routing and account information on file is accurate before proceeding. Then choose your payment date. You can pay today or select a future date that fits your budget and due date. Before submitting, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the amount, the bank account, and the date. If anything looks off, go back and edit it. When you're confident it's correct, confirm your payment. You should see a confirmation page, often with a reference number. It's a good idea to save or screenshot this for your records, and you may also receive an email confirmation. Most payments post within the time stated on the screen, but if you're paying on the due date, submit early to avoid any potential delays. When you're finished, close the browser tab, and if you're on a shared device, clear the session for safety. That's it. Your Walmart Mastercard bill is paid online, quickly and securely.